Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about update your web browser version for fix reCAPTCHA when not working. An outdated web browser can cause many issues including with Google's reCAPTCHA service. An outdated web browser can cause many issues including with Google's reCAPTCHA service. You should update your browser to the latest version and see if that fixes the problem. You should update your browser to the latest version and see if that fixes the problem. It's easy to update. It's easy to update most browsers including Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.